Welcome to the ICOminter tutorial series. In this video, we will cover how to get started with ICOminter and how to earn Bones cryptocurrency tokens. For those of you who have not viewed the introduction video, the main benefit of the app is to allow you, the user, the ability to earn free cryptocurrency tokens called Bones, which can be sold, traded, or used for shopping at our partner's online store. The app also includes a token wallet and can be used for popular coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other altcoins. First, you need to download the app from the Google Play Store. You can go to the website, www.icominter.com, to find the app, or go to the Google Play Store and search on ICOminter, then download the app. If you do not have the app on your device yet, then pause here and download the app. Next, you need to set up your account and log into the app. There are two ways to access ICOminter. To sign up by email, click on the green button, Continue with Email. To sign up using your Facebook account, click on the blue button, Continue with Facebook. Follow the directions to verify your email, and you will then get access to the app to start earning Bones tokens. You can pause here while you set up your account.